morning to all of you children. How are you? Let me introduce myself. I am Surekha. We are with an interesting topic in English. It is a story. Children, have you seen the landlords? Who are landlords? Landlord is a person who owns a lots of land. He is known as landlord. And our lesson name is The Landlord's Wedding. Let us see the story. Once there was a very rich and old landlord who owned a lot of fields. Many poor men worked on the landlord's field. Among them was a man named Georgian. He had a beautiful daughter called Katerina. What he is telling, children? He is telling that there is a very rich and a wealthy landlord and he owns lots of fields. Many poor men worked on the landlord's field. What he is telling? Many poor men worked on the landlord's field. Among them, a man named Georgian is there. A man called Georgian is there, and he had a beautiful daughter called Katerina. One day, the landlord saw her daughter and thought, "This girl will make a good wife for me." He spoke to the girl and said, "Katerina, I wish to marry you." One day, what happened? The landlord saw the daughter of Georgian, and the girl name is Katerina. And the landlord went to the girl and he told that, "Katerina, I wish to marry you." What the landlord is telling? That he wished to marry that girl. Katerina looked at the old man and replied, "I am sorry, I can't marry you." What Katerina said? She replied to the old man that she is not ready to marry him. However, the landlord was used to doing as he pleased. So the next morning he sent for the father Georgian. Said the landlord, "I'll make a deal with you. If your daughter marries me, I'll give you lots of money and a large piece of land." As Katerina refused to marry the landlord, but the landlord didn't give up. He called her father and asked him by making a deal. What is the deal, children? If he marries his daughter, what he promised that? He promised Georgian that he will give lots of money and also a large piece of land. Then George replied. Let us see what George replied. So he agreed and went home to talk to Katerina. "My dear, if you marry the landlord, you will become very rich." What he is telling her daughter to convince to marry the landlord? He is telling that if she marries the landlord, she will become very rich. Then let us see what Katerina replied. "Father, I am sorry," Katerina said, "but I won't marry that ugly old man," and nothing could change her mind. What Katerina is telling? She is telling that she can't marry that old and ugly old man. So she fixed in her mind so that she never changed. So let us see what George told. So George came up with a plan. The next day he told the landlord, "Sir, start preparing for the wedding. When everything is ready, send for Katerina without telling her the real reason. As soon as she arrives, we will conduct the wedding." What the judge is doing here, children? He is making a plan. What is the plan? He went to the landlord and he told to the landlord that make arrangements for the marriage. We will not tell anything to Katerina. Without knowing her, we will plan for her wedding. The landlord liked the idea and began the wedding preparation. Finally, the day of wedding came and it was time to send for the bride. The landlord knew that the message had to be worded carefully so that Katerina didn't find out about the plan. He told Sven, one of his farmhands, "Ask Georgian to send across what he promised to give me." So our landlord is also wisely preparing for the wedding, and he also liked the plan. Finally, the wedding day has came. So it is time to send for the bride. Bride means, children, a girl who is getting for the marriage. That is a marriage girl. The landlord knew that the message had to be worded carefully. As per the plan, he knows that it should be told to the Georgian carefully. So that why he has to tell it carefully? Because Katerina shouldn't know that she is going to get wedding. So he told one of his farmhands, that is Sven. He told one of the farmhands men, and his name is Sven. he told to Sven, ask the Georgian to send across what he promised to give me. What he is telling carefully, when asks Georgian what he promised to give me, ask him to give that. What he is telling, ask Georgian to send across what he promised to give me. So Sven rushed off. As soon as listening to the landlord's word, Sven rushed off. He found Georgian in the field and said, I am here to fetch what you promised my master. As soon as landlord ordered the Sven to get what the Georgian promised, Sven went to the Georgian and he is asking that, I am here to fetch what you promised to my master. What he is telling, he is here, he is there to fetch what he promised to his master. Who promised here, children? Georgian. What he promised? He promised that he will give his daughter Katerina to marry him. So Sven is asking for that in an indirect way. George responded, yes, she is in the meadow. You can take her right away. What George is responding here? He is telling this, yes, she is in the meadow. You can take her right away. What he is telling? She is in meadow. He is not at all telling the name of a girl and also not telling that it is a girl. He is just telling that she is in the meadow. That's it. Sven ran to the meadow where he found Katerina. I have been asked to bring what your father promised my master. And Sven ran to meadow. As soon as the George said that she is in the meadow, Sven went to the meadow and he found Katerina there. He found Katerina in the meadow. And what he is telling, by reaching Katerina, what he is telling, I have been asked to bring what your father promised my master. What he is telling, I am here to bring what your father promised to my master. Okay. But Katerina guessed her father's plan. She told Sven, it must be that mare of ours. You can take her. Katerina guessed the plan. She quietly guessed the plan. And what she is doing? She told to Sven, it must be that mare of ours. What she is telling, children? It must be the mare of ours. What is the mare? Mare means a female horse. So what she is telling to take? She is asked Sven to take the mare. Mare means a female horse. So Sven took the mare back home and told the landlord, I have brought her. Sven, as soon as Katerina told to take the mare, so Sven also took that mare to the landlord and also he is telling that I have bought her. What he is telling? I have bought her. Then our landlord replied, take her upstairs to the guest room, commanded the landlord. What a landlord is telling, children? Take her to the upstairs. What? Asked Sven. Do as I say, said the landlord. Sven shocked and told her, what? He exclaimed. But our landlord said, do as I say. What he is telling? He commanded. What? Do what I say. So Sven pushed and pulled and managed to get the mare up to the room. He returned to the landlord and reported, done, master. What Sven is telling? He pushed and pulled and managed to get the mare up to the room by pushing and pulling her, by making it to go into the room. Sven did his duty. He returned to the landlord. Again, after getting back to the landlord, he told that, done, master. The landlord said, now ask the maids to dress up her as a bride. What the landlord is telling? Now ask the maids. Maids means servants. He is asking his servants to dress up her as a bride. Sven exclaimed that, but Sven exclaimed, do as I say, said the landlord. Again the landlord is telling that, do what I say. As soon as hearing that to get up ready her as a bride, Sven shocked. But here our landlord ordered him to do what he says. Sven ran to the maids. The master wants you to dress up the maid in wedding clothes. I think he wants to play a joke on his guests. As soon as hearing to the order of the landlord, Sven ran to the maids. The master wants to dress up the maid in wedding clothes. What he is telling to the maids? Our master wants the maid to be dressed up in wedding clothes. I think he wants to play a joke on his guests. What he is thinking, children? Sven is thinking that our master wants to play a joke, isn't it? But really what it is happening? Actually it is a maid. The woman laughed and dressed the maid in the bridal gown. Sven ran to the landlord. She is ready, master. As the Sven said, the bridal woman dressed the maid in a bridal gown. So after the maid is ready with a bridal gown, the Sven ran to the landlord. As soon as it is ready, Sven again went to the landlord and said, she is ready, master. What he is telling his master? That she is ready. The landlord beamed with joy. Bring her in. Again, our landlord is very happy with joy and he is asking to bring her in. The door opened and the bedecked maid stepped into the hall full of guests. The guests had a hearty laugh and the landlord never thought of marrying anyone again. What happened, children? As soon as our landlord ordered Sven to bring the girl, they brought her. The door opened. The door opened and the bedecked maid stepped into the hall. As soon as the door opened, the maid entered into the wedding hall, which is full of guests. The guests were very hearty laugh and landlord never thought of marrying. What happened? Everybody in the wedding hall laughed at once. Then our landlord felt ashamed. The old landlord felt ashamed and he never had a thought of marrying anyone. Thank you.